Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Phoenix Do Stuff. Today what we're going to be doing is coding computer guess the number game, in which the computer will try to guess your number. And so yeah, how this game works is you're going to input a number, and the computer is going to try to guess that number. So yeah. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, and comment down below if you have any other ideas of what I should do. So let's get started. Okay, so here I have a demonstration in which I've coded everything already. And we're going to be doing you have to enter a number between 1 to 4, and the computer has to try to guess it. So yeah, let's run this. I'm going to do 2. So here you can see the computer's still guessing, and the computer keeps guessing 4. Okay, it guessed 1. It's taking a while to guess the number, but yeah. Okay, so the computer guessed it. So yeah, let's get coding. Okay, so first what we're gonna do is we're going to do import random, and then we're gonna do import turtle. What this does is it imports the turtle module and the random module, and the modules both have functions that we are going to use. We're also going to import time, and then we're going to do first we're going to make our window. So here we're going to do window is equal to turtle dot capital S screen, and then so we made a variable in which we made the screen, and then we do window dot color dot bg color, which is like the background color, and I'm gonna do light blue. And then we're going to do window dot title, and then we're going to give a title, and I'm going to do computer guess the number game, and then we're going to do window dot screen size. I'm gonna do 300 by 200, and then we're going to do we're gonna make a cursor, which is kind of like a tiny mouse that moves around your screen. So we're gonna do Bob is equal to turtle dot capital T turtle, and then we're gonna do Bob dot PU, and Bob pen up basically is when, so like if you do pen down, the turtle's gonna leave a trace, but when you do pen up, you're like lifting the pen up, so you're not gonna leave a trace. And then we're gonna do Bob dot hide turtle. And we're gonna do Bob dot go to -80 by 120 by 130. And then we're gonna do Bob dot write this is rock paper. This is not, wait, sorry, this is computer okay, and we're just gonna do Bob dot write computer guess a number game. Okay, let's run this much. Okay. Sec. Okay, after PU, we have to put this. Okay, let's run this again. Okay, so it says computer guess the number game, and then we're gonna do Bob dot go to let's see, -120 by 120. Then we're gonna do Bob dot PD. And then we're gonna do Bob dot go to 120 by 120, and then we're gonna run this. Okay, so instead of -80, we're gonna do -90. Or -100. Okay, and then we're going to do Bob dot go to Bob dot pu, and then we're gonna do Bob dot go to -95 by 110. And then we're gonna do Bob dot write correct / guess. Okay, let's run this much. Okay, so from 95, we're gonna do 75, and from 110, we're going to do 100. Okay, maybe 65. Okay, so we did 50 by 100. And now we're going to do Bob dot go to negative 145 by negative 130. And then we're going to do Bob dot, and then we're going to give the size, which is 20, and the color, which is yellow. And then let's run this. Okay. Also, feel free to pause anytime you like, and you can also, by the way, I'm using Replit for my terminal, but you can use any terminal you like. Then we're gonna do Bob dot go to negative 165 by negative 115. And then we're gonna do Bob dot right okay. Then we're gonna write correct. And then we're gonna go Bob dot go to negative 195 by negative 130, and then we're gonna do Bob dot and then we're gonna give the size, which I'm gonna do 20, and then the color, which I'm gonna do light green. And then we're going to do Bob dot go to Bob dot go to negative 205 by negative 115. So yeah, and then we're gonna do Bob dot right guess. Okay, now let's run this much. Okay, cool. Okay, so we have our guess and our correct, and so now we have our base. Now we're gonna work on the code. So first we're going to ask the user to input their number. So here we're going to do user number is equal to int input, and then we're going to do please select a number between 1 to 4 if you want to stop playing. Please enter 0. Okay, and then we're gonna make a while loop. So while loop. Then we're going to do true, capital T, R-U-E, true. And then we're going to do comp number and then also we're using underscores for the variables because for variables you cannot use spaces. Okay, and then inside this variable we're going to do random dot rand int, and then we're going to give the range of the number. So I'm going to do 1 by 4. And now what we're going to do is if user number equals to comp number. So what this does is it's like if the user number is equivalent to comp number, it should do bob dot go to negative 50 by, let's do negative 50 by 0, and then we do bob dot and then we're going to give the size and color. I'm going to do 200 and the color yellow, and then we're going to do bob dot bob dot go to, let's see, where does bob go to? Maybe negative 200 by 0. We're going to do bob dot right, and we're going to give the sentence we want to write, which is computer guessed it. And then we're going to do comma out of the parentheses or quotes, whatever. And then we're going to do comma font is equal to, we give these, and then we're going to do the font we're using. I'm going to do chalkboard. And the two things, and then we're going to do comma and the size, which I'm going to do 20, and then bob, and then we have to give, I'm going to do bold. Okay, and then I'm going to delete this one space. Okay, let's run this. Well, I'm gonna guess 4. Okay, so the computer guessed it. So now we stop. And Okay, now we're gonna do elif user number, comp number equals to 4. We're going to do equals to 4. We're gonna do Bob dot go to -50 by 0. Then we're gonna do Bob dot, and then we're gonna give the size, which I'm gonna do 200 by, and the color, which will be yellow. And then we're gonna do Bob dot go to -200 by 0. And then we're gonna do Bob dot write computer guessed. Then we're just gonna do the number, which is 4. Then the font, and yeah. And then we're going to do the same thing for 1, 2, and 3. So I'm gonna quickly do that and be right back. Also here we're gonna do we're gonna do print. Oops. Computer got it wrong. Okay, and then we're going to do the emoji, which is the sad face. And then what about at computer guessed it? Let's add the happy face. So here, then emojis. Okay, we have the happy face. And now we're going to do the same thing for 1, 2, and 3. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I've done them all for 3, 2, and 1. Like here. And I'm just going to give you a second to type it up. Okay, now that you're done with that, we're going to do else. Actually, never mind, we're not going to do anything. So instead of making this elif comp number 1, take away the comp number 1 and change the elif to else. Okay, and now we're just going to do time. So time dot speed by 1. And then we're going to do turtle dot done. Okay, so instead of speed, we're going to do sleep. And instead of this going all the way somewhere else, we're going to do 20, 50. We're going to do -50. And we're going to change the color to light green. And then we're going to do the same here. Okay, so Okay. And so, let me run this. And I do not know why. And okay, one sec. I'm gonna cancel VNCView. Okay, and here where we say computer guessed it, and then we're gonna do break. Okay, now okay, and here we're gonna take away the stop playing thing. Okay, so let me run this. So yeah. Okay, please select a number between 1 to 4. I'm going to do 1. Okay, the computer guessed it easily, but like it said, oops, got it wrong. So let's try that again. Let's do 2. Okay, the computer guessed it. So yeah, our code works. I hope you enjoyed coding with me. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, and comment down below if you have any other ideas of what I should do. Bye!